A Jamaican man has been charged with attempting unaliving of a Florida cop and is not going to be getting out of that. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it is your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not subscribed us yet, hit that red subscribe button. Beg you a follow. Yeah, build up the Rastaman panel. St. James man remain in police custody in the United States. That is after this man allegedly engaged law enforcement personnel in a shootout in Lauderhill last month. Reece Anglin, 32-year-old native of Montego Bay, St. James, has been charged with 2 counts of attempted murder of a law enforcement officer. His arrest was made by Tampa Police Valentine's Day and is being held in the Broward Main Jail. An immigration hold has also been placed on him. According to the media reports, the Broward Sheriff officer said that incident occurred February 12th at Calypso Cay apartment, where members of the BSO Gang Investigation Task Force were conducting an operation. Now, while conducting the operation, the officers came under fire by Anglin and another suspect, 28-year-old Tafari Elliot. Allegedly confronted these officers. A deputy of the Fort Lauderdale and Lauderhill Police officers opened firing on them as the deputy offered them to drop their weapons. The officers returned fire, hitting Elliot, while the other fled the scene, but was later captured and taken into custody and treated for medical purposes. Elliot also facing 2 counts of attempted murder of a law enforcement officer. The BSO said none of their officers were injured in this exchange and indicated that multiple firearms were recovered from the scene. The Florida Department of Law Enforcement and Investigation the cops use force while the BSO criminal investigation is handling the case against Anglin and Elliot. The BSO has placed the deputy who discharged their weapons on administrative assignment in keeping accordance with the office police. The immigrants are now in custody and their immigration status are that they are Jamaican nationals at the time the incident confirmed by the BSO officers. Now, these 2 gentlemen seems to have slept on the good side of the bed, because usually BSO don't cap and miss. They don't fire and miss. So, we give thanks to them not lose them life. They would engaging the BSO officers. It's unbelievable that they would be this silly to engage cops in the United States. If you don't know, the cops them are well strapped. You are guarantee. So, good luck on the case. It appears that 28-year-old Tafari Elliot and 30-year-old, Anglin, 32-year-old Reece Anglin slept on the good side of the bed, because right now the mother could be mourning because their son were unalived by cops. So I give thanks for the restraint of those police, but I'm still wondering why. Why would these 2 young men, 32 years old and 28 years old, feel like they're bad enough to take on police officers? Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. 2 more Jamaicans caught up in the system. Is this purposeful? or are they all victims? Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV, is it? Big up everybody for the Deep Roots TV, my fam. Up. Deep Roots TV.
What me I say? This is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, me linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
Deep Roots TV.
Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV.